Hello everyone, my name is Kendra Wilson. My instrument is ur15cs223. So today I'm going to explain the 10th experiment in web technology lab, that is jQuery. So jQuery is nothing but it is a similar thing like um, JavaScript, but then we have here inbuilt functions which are used to perform some animation or other stuff like that. So for that, what we do here is first we are downloading the jQuery file and then we are placing it below the site root. And then after that, in the index.html, I am importing this file as script src jQuery, and then I am giving this. So inside the script tag, I am creating all this. So first, before this, let me show you the HTML coding. So what I have done here is I have created a few paragraphs, and then after that here I have created buttons as click me, and then after that for hide and seek, and then click me, and then some buttons, and I've given ID for all the buttons as B followed by any number, and then after that the paragraphs as P followed by any number. So now I'll show you the scripting part. So first here what we're going to see is we're going to see the hide option. So now first when we give document ready, so here this we follow as to where to do, what to do, and when to do. So after doing this for the paragraph, when I specify here as P, so the paragraph called as P will be hid when we use the variable, when we use the operator this. And then after that, next when we do is ready function, and then when we give alert, we display the alert box. Followed by that, for the when we give click here, that is this is the button. So when we click the button, it will hide the content. And then after that, the next one is uh, also hide, and then I'll show you output so it'll be more clear to understand. So yeah, sorry. So this is the output. So when I click here on this, it will get disappeared. So the same thing. And then when I give click me, you can see the alert box. And then this is the another paragraph. So when you click this, only it gets disappeared. Okay, so that's what we do here. And then out there for the hide and seek, what we do is we have two buttons, that is B2 and B3, and then here I'm giving hide function and here I'm giving show function. So that's what happens when we go to the output. So when I give hide, it's gone, and when I give show, this is seen. And then followed by that, the next one is slide. So when I click this button, the text slides up and slides down, and I've also changed the color to red. So when I click this, you can see that it gets slided up and then it gets slided down. And then I have given the next one as fade. So fade out, fade out, fade out. So when I give fade out, it fades slowly, and then when I give fade out slow, it goes in a very slow speed. So this is in the medium speed, and then this is after 3000 seconds. So here when I give click to fade out the boxes gets fade away. And then after that for animate, so animate is used simply to move an object from one place of the from one part of the page to another part of the page. So for that here I'm using div element, and then I'm animating it as 250px. So here you can see here when I give click to animate, it moves. So yeah, here actually I've given for all the elements, so you can see, and then when I give fade out boxes, they get faded out. So that's for the 10th experiment of web technology lab. Thank you.